Welcome back to Mike's Rusty Finds. Today we are tinkering with Mom's vintage Singer 500A. And we're going to be taking this thing all apart and cleaning it because it is running real slow. So I'm pretty sure she's pretty gummed up. But today I'm just going to start with putting an LED bulb in the in here. That's the regular incandescent bulb that the machine came with. So we're going to lay her on her side. Because she's not in a table. We're going to go ahead and unplug this. And we're going to remove this screw. And remove this cover. Screw isn't completely off. This machine is going to get fixed up for my cousin Debbie. You can see this incandescent bulb here. It's probably seen its better days. And this is the new LED bulb, which I bought for a previous project, and turns out I ordered way too many. Okay. We're going to reverse this. Put this guy back on here. Looks like I dropped you guys. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And we'll tighten this screw back up.
Call from Parramatta, CA. Call from Parramatta.
And the bulb's back in here. And you can tell how much better it is. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.